Hey everyone! Today we're going to be making Roti Jala or net bread, a soft and lacy yellow pancake served with curry. Let's start with making that first. For this, we're going to need a high-speed blender. Into this, let's add 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Then add a teaspoon of salt along with a teaspoon of turmeric powder. This will give the Roti Jala its signature yellow color. For the wet ingredients, we need 200 ml of thick coconut milk or cream, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 375 ml of plain water. The non-vegan version of Roti Jala is made with eggs for that richness and softness in texture. In this recipe, we're using the mix of oil and coconut milk to achieve a similar result. Blend the ingredients until you get a nice and smooth batter. This is the Roti Jala bottle. It's basically just a squeezy bottle with 2 tips instead of 1. In Malaysia, you can even find ones with 5 tips. If you can't find this, a regular sauce bottle will work just fine. Pour the batter into the bottle. Next, get a non-stick pan on the heat. Use a brush or paper towel to spread the tiniest bit of oil all over. We're just going to let the pan heat up on medium heat, then turn it down to low. Starting from the outside, tip the bottle upside down and quickly draw circles, making sure every circle overlaps the last one. The Roti Jala will cook quite quickly. Once it starts to change color and it can be separated easily from the pan, it's done. Slide the Roti Jala off the pan and onto a plate. Look how delicate and lacy it looks. This is why it's called Roti Jala. To roll it up, simply fold the sides to create a long rectangle, then roll into a log. Finish cooking the rest of the batter. They can be stacked on top of one another so we don't have to keep rolling in between. The residual steam from being stacked will keep them nice and soft. They're a lot easier to handle once they've cooled down a bit too. Let's make a vegetable curry to go with the Roti Jala. But before that, please take a moment to give this video a like, and why not subscribe to my channel if you want to see more recipes just like this one. Okay, now let's continue. Get a pot on the stove and add some oil. We're going to heat 1 cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 4 cloves and 4 cardamom pods. Once the spices are fragrant, add in 2 red onions that have been thinly sliced. Saute for 30 seconds, then place 4 slices of ginger in and 5 cloves of garlic thinly sliced. Then we're going to strip in 3 stalks of fresh curry leaves. Give everything a stir and cook until lightly caramelized. Next, we need some curry powder. This is a blend of spices specially made for Malaysian meat or chicken curry, but it doesn't contain any animal products whatsoever, just a blend of spices. If you can't find Malaysian curry powder, you can just use any curry powder that you like. This is 80 grams of powder. Add some water to help it along. Cook until it dries down, then toss in our potatoes and carrots. Top it off with 4 cups of water. Use a bit more if you prefer a thinner curry. Season with some salt and optional mushroom seasoning or veggie stock. Close the lid and simmer for 15 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. Then we can go in with our veggies. This is 1 head of broccoli florets and a handful of chopped green beans. Mix everything together. In hindsight, I should have used a much bigger pot. Lastly, add a cup of crispy roasted tofu and 100 ml of coconut milk. Oh, I almost forgot. We need 1 asam keping or tamarind slice. This will give the curry a hint of sourness. Yeah, I definitely should have used a bigger pot. Give everything one last mix and simmer. Scoop into a bowl and serve with our Roti Jala. For more Malaysian roti recipes, watch these videos next and I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.